The Ebola virus has become a very deadly epidemic in West Africa. As we can see on the map, Guinea, Sierra Leone, and Liberia have all been affected by this outbreak. I didn't know much about the Ebola virus until hearing about it recently in the news, and decided I should probably educate myself on it, considering many people have already died. The Ebola virus is a severe, often fatal virus that can affect both humans and animals. Animals that have not been infected by the virus may be quarantined, otherwise they must be killed and incinerated or buried. While the host of this virus is unknown, it is thought to be transported from fruit bats in African caves. The spread of this virus may be done through bodily fluids and animal waste from animals to humans. The most common bodily fluid that is transported from animals to humans is blood. This may be done through meat that humans get either from hunting or just in general, or experiments that scientists are performing on animals that have already been infected. Human fluids and infected needles are one way that humans may come in contact with this virus from human to human. Another way that animals may transport this virus to humans is through waste found in bat caves, through bat feces and urine. This is usually found in tourists that have visited bat caves in Africa. While this is the largest outbreak of the Ebola virus that has been recorded, 90% of the affected have passed away that we have seen in recent outbreaks before this. So far with this outbreak, we have seen over 700 people pass away and 1,300 people become infected. I also have a little bit of information in the countries that I have named above that are infected, with the numbers jumping dramatically in the month of July. While this virus is only contagious upon symptoms through human-to-human contact, we can track these symptoms through headaches, sore throats, fever, muscle pain, and intense weakness. These symptoms are often followed by diarrhea, vomiting, internal and external bleeding, and kidney and liver failure. So far, we have not found a vaccine that can prevent this virus from spreading. The only thing that we have is supportive therapy for those that are suffering from this virus. While so far we have not had any outbreaks in the United States, we do have a couple of people returning to the States that have been infected while over in Africa. There has been much uproar over this, as many people are upset that they may spread the disease and we may have an outbreak in our own country. The CDC has put out a notice stating that the people that are coming over from the other countries are going to be secluded and completely isolated from the general population so that we do not have to worry about anybody else contracting this virus. They do this by transporting these people on special airliners with isolation tanks inside of them and immediately taking them to special facilities that have been staffed specifically for this reason. Regardless of efforts to control this virus over in Africa, the virus is outpacing the efforts and spreading very rapidly.